Hi, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to add a guest and complete a guest flow on LRS Connect guest list. Let's get started, shall we? Simply click Add Guest, enter in your guest details, the pager number or phone number assigned. If you so choose, just simply type in the phone number and we will automatically recognize that it's a phone number versus pager number. What time you'd like to seat your guest, whether it's table, booth, patio, or bar, or a to-go order. You can simply notify to go. And simply add guest. In this view, you can see there's a circle to let you know if the guest is on time, if they've not been seated, or how long approximately the guest has been waiting. You can see the countdown timer slowly appear across. If you so choose, you can also change the view to a list view or back to the tile view. When you're ready to notify the guest, you simply click on the guest and click the notify icon. As you can see, their notification status has changed and now they've been notified. Once you're ready, you can then complete this and complete that guest off of your list. Thank you.